Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we are reviewing a 2025 Toyota Tundra 1794 edition with the iForce Max engine. Let's get into it. I'd like to give a special shout out to Rusty Drewing Toyota here in Jefferson City, Missouri for allowing me time with this vehicle. Please reach out to Arion for all your vehicle needs. Powering this Toyota Tundra is the 3.4-liter iForce Max V6 hybrid engine, producing 430 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque through a 10-speed transmission. Starting out in the front here, we have the Toyota logo up top. We do have the TRD off-road package on this vehicle, so we have the TRD stamped hood, fog lights on the bottom, Tundra stamped in the grille as well, parking sensors. You can see your LED headlights that wrap around to the side here. iForce Max badge. Looking at the wheels and tires, these are sitting on Falcon Wild Peaks 265/60 R20s. These are all-terrain tires, which you also get with the TRD off-road package, as well as these TRD stamped black wheels. Really like the look of that. 1794 edition, as I mentioned, you get that stamped in the side. Chrome mirror caps, chrome door handles. This is the Crew Max as well with the 5.5-foot bed. Here's your TRD off-road stamped you get with the package, as well as these Bilstein shocks and suspension. I don't know how well you can see that, which is a big upgrade. Coming around to the back, we have the LED taillights, 1794, and an iForce Max badge down here. Toyota stamped in the tailgate. This is 4-wheel drive. We do have this bed step down here as well. Chrome exhaust. Do have our trailer hitch hookups down here. We do get this button for the power tailgate. Nice little feature. This one has the spray and bed liner, which is an option. We have one tie down in each corner. We have cargo lights as well. Tundra stamped in the back. One outlet here. And we do have this rail system as well on this truck. Goes right back up. So that pretty much does it for the exterior. Let's take a look at the inside. Starting on the driver's side door here, we have the tan interior in this one. Cushioned upper and lower parts of the door here, very nice. Standard window controls, memory seats. We do have some storage in here, cup holders in the bottom. Coming around to the inside, we do have the power seats. They're also this luxury tan material. So you can see vents, tan. We have some wood accents here. Soft dash up here. Here's all your lighting control as well as your heated seats. Sorry, heated steering wheel. We do have these fancy sport pedals down here as well. Power adjustable steering wheel. Here is the startup sequence. So you can see, starting off with the steering wheel, it is leather wrapped. We have our controls here for our tuning controls, adaptive cruise on this side, Toyota logo. It's kind of squared off at the bottom. Here is our 12.3-inch gauge cluster. It is fully digital. You see your iForce Max readings there as well. So here's a few adjustments you can make on the left there. Has a bunch of different information. Standard blinker, standard windshield wipers. I do not see a heads-up display in this one. Moving to the 14-inch infotainment screen. This is huge, very responsive. We have several different options in here. Here's our engine start stop, trailer brake control, parking brake. So this is pretty standard screen. Moving down, we have our climate controls, physical buttons. Here is our volume, heated seats, ventilated seats. Same with the passenger side. We have a USB plug-in up here. Going down here, we have more physical buttons. This is our trailer control here. Camera button. That's pretty cool. Check your surroundings. It's a neat little feature. ABS control, hazards. We do have a rear locker in this, and then we have a power down tailgate. Not to mention on this shifter here, we get the TRD stamped here. That does come with the off-road package. So pretty standard, nice and bulky. It is leather wrapped as well. Here's our four-wheel drive select, 2, 4 high and 4 low. Here's our drive modes. You can see we have sport, normal, and eco. So 3 modes on this Tundra. And then we have tow haul, multi-terrain select, and crawl control. Wireless charging for 1 phone there. We do have 2 cup holders. Some trash in there. That covers up now. This is all nice wood trim. One of my favorite features in this Tundra is how much console space you have. You have this little tray that slides in and out. There's a ton of room down there. 2 more chargers as well, USB chargers. And then this whole console comes up to reveal this massive storage area. 2 cup holders in the back. $17.94. You can see stamped on the passenger side with the wood trim. And then here is your passenger side. Let's take a look at the back. Coming into the back, we have the same fancy trim on the back here. First aid kit. More storage. This is the exact same door as the driver. Pockets back here. We do have ventilated and heated seats in the rear. 2 vents. More charging back here as well. We do have a rear center vent there. So here is your back seat. Plenty of room. Obviously, this is a crew cab. Now let's hop in and take this thing for a spin. All right, and we are off in this 2025 Toyota Tundra, 1794 edition with the TRD off-road package. I know I mentioned some of the features on the off-road package. Another one I forgot to mention was the skid plate you get up front. And then a lot of TRD stamp stuff like the shifter here and the wheels. Also forgot to mention we do get the digital rear view mirror, which is nice. So as mentioned, this thing is a torque monster, 583 pound of torque with this hybrid engine. So that's really, really good. Sounds pretty good as well. No complaints really. Handles pretty well. Like I said, I'm a big fan of this powertrain. I know it's had some reliability issues. Hoping, moving forward, they continue with this iForce Max engine. Because like I said, 437 horsepower, the 583 pound of torque, you'll really feel it, especially when accelerating. Handles pretty well, no complaints there. Good visibility off the front. There's no hood scoop. You see on some of the other full-size trucks. Accelerate here. Oh yeah, really good, really smooth shifting in this 10-speed as well. So I didn't go through the sticker, but the MSRP on this truck is around $77,000. Right now at Rusty Druring, you can get this truck for around $72,000. So like I said, you get a lot of capability, 9.4 inches of ground clearance. You can still take this thing off-road if you really wanted to. Super luxurious interior. No complaints. It'd be a great daily driver. MPG is around 21 combined. Engine sounds really good too. Whatever Toyota has done to this engine, I don't know if it's in the audio here or what, but it sounds really nice. Yeah, $72,000, it's a lot for a truck. This thing is packed full of features. The digital rearview mirror, super luxurious. A lot of things to like about this truck. Let me know what you all think in the comments about this 2025 Toyota Tundra 1794 edition with the TRD off-road package, which I think, in my opinion, is a must-have for this Tundra. Thank you all for watching, and we will see you next time.